To the innovators, the ones who build and assemble, the ones who design, the ones who discover. We at Aven salute you and stand committed to bringing you the tools you need to keep innovating.
Hi, I'm Courtney Bell for Aven Tools. Welcome to the 2018 Aven Product Launch Showcase. Today, we are proud to introduce a variety of innovative new products that will enhance productivity and effectiveness for all of your precision assembly and inspection applications. Whether in the laboratory, classroom, or workbench, these industry-leading tools are certain to improve your experience. And to our valued distribution partners, log on to avenconnect.com for updated pricing, high-resolution images, and our full line of products. Now, let's take a closer look at some of Aven's newest innovations. In 2017, Aven introduced the new Cyclops Macro and Cyclops Micro digital microscopes, combining the crystal clear imaging of the original Cyclops systems while adding the benefits of C-mount optical zoom lenses.
Having set a new trend in high-quality inspection with our Cyclops digital microscopes, Aven is excited to introduce our Cyclops Micro and Cyclops Macro inspection systems. Aven's Cyclops systems are designed to remove the eye strain and body fatigue associated with frequent microscope use. By looking at a monitor in a comfortable posture, operators can be more productive and attentive to their work, leading to accurate results and higher productivity. These systems feature an HDMI output for easy connection. No computer required. The Cyclops Macro system features an optical macro zoom lens for crystal clear imaging, featuring dials for zoom, focus, and aperture adjustment. With a magnification range of 3 times to 43 times, the Cyclops Macro is ideal for applications that require a wide field of view. This model includes the standard Cyclops stand with dual LED pipe lights for illumination. For applications that require a closer look, the Cyclops Micro system includes an optical micro lens offering a magnification range of 29 times to 185 times at a working distance of 82 millimeters. The Cyclops Micro comes complete with a deluxe 16-inch post stand with a heavy metal base, a focus mount with fine focus adjustment dials, and an LED ring light with 60 ultra-bright adjustable LEDs. Both the Macro and Micro units incorporate the industry-standard C-mount mounting system. Any C-mount lens can be substituted for the standard Micro or Macro lens if needed. Each unit comes packaged with the Cyclops Universal Remote to control power, zoom, autofocus, sharpness, white balance. When used with Aven's Image Capture Box, the Remote Snapshot feature is used to capture high-resolution images for further inspection or comparison. No computer required. Crystal clear imaging, zero neck fatigue or eye strain. Aven's Cyclops digital microscopes, advancing innovation. To learn more about Aven's digital microscopes, visit aventools.com.
As you can see, Aven continues to innovate with brand new digital microscope technology. This year, Aven is also expanding its line of stereo zoom microscopes. The new SPZ50E series features the same high-quality build and optics Aven is known for, now with a specialized ESD-safe coating designed to protect your sensitive components from electrostatic discharges.
Aven's SPZ50 series microscopes, with their wide magnification range, superior components, and exceptional optics, have become an industry standard for high magnification inspection systems. Aven is now proud to introduce the new SPZ50E series microscopes, adding an electrostatic discharge protective coating. This specially developed ESD-safe coating is designed to meet the needs of applications in static-sensitive environments, where electrostatic discharges can prove fatal for electronic components. As with all our SPZ50 series microscopes, the SPZ50E features a standard magnification range of 6.7 times to 50 times, employing wide-field 10x eyepieces and an adjustable interpupillary range of 52 to 75 millimeters. In order to reduce fatigue and eye strain, a trinocular version of the ESD microscope is available. The camera adapter on Aven's SPZ-V50E will accommodate both C or CS mount cameras, whether using CCD or CMOS sensor technology. The SPZ-50E series microscopes come packaged with our new ESD Safe PLED stand. This stand features the same ESD safe coating as the microscope bodies and includes a 10-inch metal post providing a large working distance, as well as an 11 by 8-inch metal base. The focus mount features dials for coarse and fine focus adjustments, as well as an integrated LED ring light. Adjust the brightness intensity of 60 ultra-bright LEDs by turning the dial located on the base of the stand. Aven's SPZ series microscopes are renowned for delivering images with superb clarity and depth of field, and now featuring ESD protection, providing additional safety for static-sensitive components. To learn more, visit aventools.com.
Aven has earned a reputation as a leader in providing solutions for precision inspection. Our successful lines of innovative LED magnifying lamps offer crystal clear viewing under shadow-free illumination. The innovations continue with the new ProView Solus magnifying lamps, giving operators the flexibility of using multiple lenses.
Aven's ProView Solus series magnifying lamps offer the flexibility of using multiple interchangeable lenses. Enhance your magnification, working distance, or field of view with no need to keep multiple magnifying lamps on hand. The ProView Solus is available in two models. The Solus XL35 includes a 5-diopter lens, but also accepts an optional 3-diopter lens. The Solus XL58 includes an 8-diopter lens, but also accepts an optional 5-diopter lens. Swapping out lenses is easy and fast. Simply loosen the fastening ring, remove the lens, replace the new lens, and retighten the fastening ring. A compact ABS housing banded by a stainless steel ring makes this lamp a stylish addition to your desk or a rugged addition to your workbench. These lamps deliver crystal clear magnification for viewing the fine details of your documents or your objects. The 60 ultra-bright surface mount LEDs distribute shadow-free illumination with an expected 20,000 hours of high output operation. The lamp head features micro-touch buttons to adjust the brightness intensity of the LEDs. The ProView Solus returns the fully covered spring arm of the ProView Super Slim. With 36 inches of reach, it has the range to meet all your inspection needs and will hold its position wherever you set it. No pinching hazards, no exposed springs. At the interface of the arm and head is a tension knob, which, when loosened, will allow you to station the lens at the optimum angle for distortion-free viewing. The ProView Solus comes complete with a heavy-duty table clamp and an AC power adapter. Aven, the definitive source for superior magnifiers in form, fit, and function. To find out more about these products and others, please visit aventools.com.
Aven is always on the forefront of developing new products to enhance your workbench. Our new dual gooseneck LED task light is designed to be configured for nearly any task.
As Aven continues to lead the industry in developing versatile, heavy-duty task lights to aid in industrial and precision work, we're proud to offer the new dual gooseneck LED task light designed for workshops, machining centers, warehouses, garages, science labs, and more. Featuring two ultra-bright LEDs on 17-inch flexible goosenecks, this task light can be configured to add crucial illumination for countless applications. The goosenecks easily bend to the required position, providing limitless positioning options. Both lamps feature an adjustable focus ring. Open the ring to focus the light to a specific area, or close the ring to spread the light out for even, flush illumination. The on-off switch can be used to toggle between the two lamps for single lamp or dual lamp illumination. The base of the unit and the lamp heads are constructed from a durable metal housing. The dual gooseneck LED task light features two mounting options. The built-in 4-inch heavy-duty table clamp connects to the side of any workbench to keep the device steady and secure. Perfect for inspection, quality control, and assembly applications such as soldering. The dual magnetic bases attach to any magnetic surface for horizontal, vertical, or upside-down positioning. Ideal for workshops, machining centers, garages, or other environments where metal surfaces are common. Aven's dual gooseneck LED task light, built for any task. To learn more about Aven's task lights, visit aventools.com or contact your Aven representative.
Aven knows the importance of viewing the fine details. Reflective glare and hotspots can obscure and wash out these details, making inspection or quality control very difficult. Our new LED ring light with adjustable polarizer eliminates this problematic glare, revealing crystal clear details from shiny or reflective objects.
Reflective glare from shiny parts can be problematic when inspecting fine details. Aven's new LED ring light with adjustable polarizer is designed to eliminate this glare. By turning the polarizer dial, operators can select their ideal level of polarization. As you can see from these images, the polarized ring light reveals fine details that are washed out when using standard LED ring lights. This device includes 120 adjustable LEDs with an expected lifespan of 20,000 hours. Comes complete with a tinted glass analyzer to enhance the polarization effects. The LED ring light with adjustable polarizer is featured with two new Aven microscope systems. The SPV50 system includes Aven's SPZ50 binocular microscope on our 10-inch post stand. The SPZV50 system includes Aven's SPZV50 trinocular microscope on our 10-inch post stand. This system also includes the MightyCam IDOS, giving operators the option to view through the microscope eyepieces or on the 11.6-inch 1080p HD monitor. Both systems offer crystal clear imaging with a magnification range of 6.7 times to 50 times while reducing problematic glare. To learn more about Aven's LED ring lights or other microscope accessories, visit aventools.com.
Aven has a 35-year history as a leader in high-quality hand tools for precision assembly. In late 2017, Aven launched avensafetytools.com, featuring thousands of non-sparking, titanium, stainless steel, and insulated tools and equipment designed for critical applications. To learn more about these specialized tools or request a quote, visit avensafetytools.com or contact Aven. We hope you're as excited as we are about these new products and technologies and encourage you to be confident in your purchases. Aven provides award-winning customer service, free product webinars for inspection systems, and full product support to your facility, even after the sale. Trained engineers and experts are available on-site to help with questions or technical issues. We take an individual approach to all of our customers to ensure that each product is truly tailored to any task. And remember to log on to avenconnect.com for updated pricing, high-resolution images, and our full line of products. Thank you for watching Aven's Product Launch Showcase.